The fourth mistake marketers make when starting content marketing is not producing content for their target audience and personas. This one is a big one. You need to know that whenever you are producing content, it is for the people who want and can buy your products and services, and not for yourself. Therefore, if you are starting your content marketing, you need to know who is your target audience and buyer personas, because this will lead you to produce your content for them and around their interest, which can lead to a high conversion rate. So, how can you fix it? First, you need to create your target audience and buyer personas. The easiest way to do that is that look at your current best customers and find similarities within demographics and firmographics, such as age, location, gender, job title, a certain position, hobbies, and etc. Then create your personas, which is basically a fake ideal customer based on the information from the target audience. To give you an example, let's use the target keywords examples from previous, which are exotic coffee and business finance. So we're gonna create a buyer persona for those keywords. So Mr. Peter is 30 years old, working as a finance manager with long hours and very often working overtime. Morning special coffee is the ritual he can give up to stay productive throughout the day. Also, Mr. Peter has a small team, so he needs an effective accounting system to streamline and automate repetitive tasks to be more productive. And there you go. This is just an example for buyer persona for exotic coffee and business finance. I have written an entire article about target audience and buyer personas, so check out the links in the description. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how to grow your digital marketing effectively. Like this video if you like it, and leave a comment below what was your biggest mistake when you started content marketing. And also, don't forget to check out all my links in the description where I leave some cool tools for content marketing, SEO and digital marketing. Ciao!